Hello, this is Dilip Kanere from Savitribai Phule Pune University Science Park, bringing you yet another simple puzzle. Again, there is a video which you will observe. There is a commentary in the video also, and answer our questions. This time, the video is on what I have titled as Singing Glass, basically dealing with vibrations of objects and the kind of sound the objects can produce. So look at it, perform the experiment at home. It need not be glass. The glass is often taken because it is simple. You will also find many videos, discussions on internet. My advice is, first think, try to get as many answers as possible, a physics explanation. Then of course go to internet, ask questions to your teachers, parents, and understand the phenomena. Okay, let us look at it then. So what do you need for this? आपल्या घरात काय काय असतं? एक दोन ग्लासेस लागतील आणि पाणी and a bit of patience. So you have all these things at home. Start the experiment. Observe what our video is saying. Okay.
So here I have a wine glass. I dip my finger in the water, make it wet, and rotate in a circular fashion to produce the sound. You may have to repeat for a couple of times. I want you to listen carefully to the sound produced. Now I'll pour some water. Now again I'll repeat the same procedure. So observe carefully if there is any change in the frequency of the sound heard. Now again I will add some more water and repeat it. Please again pay attention to the frequency. And I'll fill this glass completely with water and again produce the sound. So now the question is, was there any change in the frequency of the sound due to the different level of water? First question. Second question, if I repeat the same experiment with a different material of different diameter, will I be able to produce the sound? So I'm going to try it. I guess I'm not able to produce any sound with this. So my second question is, what is the reason with this glass I was able to produce sound, but with this different material, different diameter, I was not able to produce the sound? So think about it. Who is vibrating when the sound is produced? Is it the glass? Is it the water? Is it the air? Or is it all of them? So when I change this material and its diameter, what is it happening so that I am not able to get the sound? So please think, and I'm sure you will be able to come up with the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video.
Here is some food for thought. How about hitting the glass? What will happen? With a different material of different shapes, what will happen? Can I produce the same effect? Can I hit and get similar sound? Of course you will get some sound. If you carefully observed around, the phenomena shown here is very common. Note some examples if you can. And of course, Jal Tarang, you must ask your parents about it, see some pictures and find out if there is a similarity. Some questions: why there is a change in the frequency? If the material is changed as shown in the video, it's not so easy to produce the same effect. In fact, she couldn't produce the effect. And what is the physical phenomena that is happening? Find out the physics behind it. A simple experiment to perform at home. Carry it out. घरी करून पहा. Take some glasses, bowls, some cooking utensils. Try to hit. Don't hit too hard, otherwise the glass will break. See what kind of sound you get. So experiment, innovate. Do some reading. वाचा जरा, vibrations वर वाचा. मी resonance असा शब्द घातलेला आहे. So try to find out what it means. This may take some parental guidance, but it's most suitable for 9th, 10th, 11th standard students. You should be able to enjoy this after reading.